Before we dive in, let me know in the comments, what are your most significant financial struggles as a couple? Is it budgeting, debts, or something else? Is financial stress putting a strain on your marriage? Are money problems, debt, and budgeting struggles constant tension? You are not alone. Financial stress are one of the leading causes of relationship conflict, but they don't have to be. In today's video, I will show you how to budget effectively, share powerful budgeting tips, and walk you through debt relief solutions to help you regain control of your finances. Whether you are new to budgeting for beginners, looking for a union budgeting plan, or trying to build an emergency fund, this guide will give you the tools to navigate money challenges together. So here is what you will learn today. First, how to communicate effectively about money without argument. Second, the best budgeting strategies to reduce stress and improve money management. Third, proven ways to get debt-free and achieve financial freedom. Fourth, how to make money online and boost your income with affiliate marketing. Fifth, expert financial planning advice to secure your future. So, if you are ready to budget with me, reduce financial stress, and strengthen your marriage, stay tuned. Let's build a better financial future together. Feel free to jump to any part you are most interested in. The timestamp is in the description below. Watch until the end for a special bonus tip that could change your financial life. Let's get started. Money is one of the most common sources of stress in marriage. Due to mounting debts, job loss, unexpected expenses, or differing financial habits, financial strain can create tension and lead to significant conflict. However, financial stress does not have to break your marriage. Couples can strengthen their union and build a secure future by planning to navigate financial difficulties together. This guide will explore practical strategies for managing financial stress in marriage while maintaining a strong and loving relationship. So, the first on my list is open and honest communication about money. One of the most critical steps in overcoming financial stress is having open and honest conversations about money. Many couples avoid discussing finances because it can be uncomfortable, but a lack of communication often leads to misunderstandings and resentment. Here is how to communicate effectively. First, schedule regular financial check-ins with your spouse. Second, be transparent about your income, debts, and spending habits. Third, avoid blaming the other partner and instead focus on finding solutions. Fourth, set clear financial goals together to create a shared vision. And the second tip on my list is create a realistic budget. A well-organized budget is a powerful tool that helps couples regain control of their finances. It gives a clear picture of income, expenses, and savings, which allows both partners to make informed financial decisions. Here are the steps to creating a budget. First is list all sources of income and expenses. Second, differentiate between essential and non-essential expenses. And the third one, Set aside funds for emergencies and savings. Fourth, adjust your spending habits to align with financial priorities. Budgeting apps or a spreadsheet can also help track spending and ensure that both partners are on the same page. What budgeting method do you use? Here are 3 options. The first one is zero-based budget. The second one is envelope system. The third one is I don't have any one yet. Let me know in the comments below. And that takes me to the third step I have for you here is work as a team to reduce debt. Debt can be a serious source of stress in marriage, but tackling it together makes it more manageable. Here are strategies for debt reduction. If you want to reduce debt, here are strategies you need to follow. And the first one is list all unsettled debts and their interest rates. Second, prioritize paying off high interest debts first, or focus on small debts to gain momentum. Then the next one is consider consolidating debts or negotiating lower interest rates. Another step also is reduce unnecessary spending and redirect extra funds towards debt payments. Supportive and celebrating small financial victories can motivate both partners throughout the debt reduction journey. The fourth tip I have for you here is establish an emergency fund. Financial emergencies can arise at times in family, causing additional strain on a marriage. Here is where an emergency fund acts as a financial cushion to help couples navigate unexpected expenses without debt. I will share with you how to build an emergency fund. First, start with a small, realistic goal. For example, £500 to £1,000. Then the second step is gradually increase savings to cover 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. The third step is automate contributions to make saving effortless. Avoid dipping into the fund for non-emergencies. Having an emergency fund provides peace of mind and reduces financial anxiety. If you have ever had a money fight with your partner, hit that like button so I know I'm not alone. Then the fifth tip I have for you here is align financial priorities and goals. Couples may have different financial priorities, leading to tension. Aligning financial goals ensures that both partners work towards a shared future. Set joint financial goals. Here, I'm going to be sharing with you how to set joint financial goals. First is to discuss short-term and long-term financial objectives. And second, compromise on discretionary spending to accommodate both partners' needs. And third, plan for major life expenses such as home buying, children's education, or retirement. Fourth, regularly analyze and adjust goals based on changing circumstances. That takes me to the sixth step I have for you here. Find ways to increase income. Sometimes financial stress stems from insufficient income. Exploring ways to boost household earnings can relieve pressure and improve financial stability. Here is idea to increase your income. First, take on freelance or part-time work. Second, monetize skills or hobbies, what you can do. Third, look for career advancement opportunities. Fourth, start a side business together. You can make money online. If you don't know, you search on Google or YouTube how to make money online. You can get the information out there. You can start affiliate marketing as well. By working together to increase income, couples can ease financial burdens and create new opportunities for financial growth. And that takes me to the 7th tip I have for you, and that is practice financial compromise. In any marriage, financial decisions require compromise. Finding a middle ground prevents conflict and fosters mutual respect. So here are tips for financial compromise. First is to set spending limits for discretionary expenses. Second is to take turns making financial decisions to balance priorities. And the third is agree on a fair division of financial responsibilities. Respect each other's financial values and perspectives. Drop a money bag emoji in the comments below if you are ready to take control of your finance together. And the 8th tip I have for you is seek professional financial advice when needed. A financial advisor or counselor can provide objective insights and strategies for managing money effectively. Here is when to seek. I'm going to be sharing with you when to seek financial help. It's not just when you have little thing you run to, no. If you are struggling with overwhelming debts. Second, if financial stress is impacting your mental health or relationship. And third, if you need guidance on investments, savings, or long-term planning, then you are free to seek financial help or support. So that takes me to the 9th point I have for you here, and that is maintain a healthy relationship despite financial stress. While finances are necessary, they should not take precedence over the emotional connection in your marriage. It's crucial to nurture your relationship even in times of financial strain. So here are ways to strengthen your marriage. First, spend quality time together without spending money. Movie nights at home. Second, show appreciation for each other's efforts in managing finances. Third, offer emotional support and reassurance during tough times. Fourth, keep financial discussions separate from personal conflicts. And in wrapping up, if you have come this far, congratulations. You now have the tools to take control of your financial stress, create a budget that works, and build a solid future with your partner. Financial stress can be demanding, we know, but you and your partner can overcome any challenges with the right mindset. Remember, overcoming money problems isn't just about numbers. It's about teamwork, communication, and a shared vision for financial freedom. But financial stress isn't the only thing that can cause tension in a relationship. Conflicts happen, and how you handle them makes all the difference. In my next video, I will show you how to resolve conflicts in your marriage without hurting each other. Watch now and start building a healthier, more connected relationship. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. I post weekly tips on relationship advice and related videos. Please comment below on what's your biggest struggle with financial planning and money management. Let's chat in the comments. I read and reply to every comment, so share your thoughts. I would love to hear your stories. Thank you for watching, and I will be seeing you in the following video. Stay financially savvy and let's build wealth together. Bye.
Silent love, calling faith to shadow me through